Coffee time. Let's go in the room. Got home improvement. Good morning, everybody. I hope you're having a great start to your day, or whatever time you're watching this. I hope you either had a great day or you're still having a great day. But today, Logan and I need to go run an errand. Luckily, it stopped raining, so that way we won't get drenched. When I actually woke up, it was pouring, starting to stop. So, but it is feeling still cold. I still need to put up the vlog from yesterday. We did get home quite late, so that's why I didn't put it up. So I still need to do that. So that will, yesterday's vlog will be up today, and then today's vlog will probably be up tomorrow or combined. So anyway, I'll check with you guys later on. Looks awful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It looks like it's going to rain again.
Yeah. It's big and rainy. Things all wet, as you can see. Yeah. There's puddles over there. Let's see if we can see our reflection in the bottle. You ever see if you can see your reflection in a bottle?
If I did it, I can't. Oh yeah.
Oh, there we are.
Hi.
Hi. Yeah. But that's how the sky looks right now. Right? Awful, awful, awful.
I didn't know how to keep my Switch drive, so I just.
You put it in your pocket?
Do like this.
Oh yeah. Okay, let's go to the store. Logan's becoming a foodie person now. Yeah, Logan.
Yeah.
Okay, send chat up. Okay, just drizzling nugget. This way. This way.
I'm sorry? 300. And you're receiving dollar, yeah?
Thank you so much. You too. They have weekday bundles at Jollibee. So we're gonna run away from home again. And my bag
It's more than 2 bags.
Nah, we're not gonna run away from home. We're just going to the washer because our laundry room here is broken. It's out of service, so we're not really running away from home. So one suitcase and a duffel bag of clothes, and I got the laundry. We're going vacation again, and then we're gonna bring the laundry detergent so that way we can have the maid service go wash our clothes.
Yeah.
And I even giving them laundry money.
Yeah.
But we're not really running away from home. We're just going to the laundromat. Be careful, that thing has like a... Yeah, I'll carry that and then you just take care of the suitcase. But we're not really running away from home. I can feel the heat. Oh, they changed things around. There. Not if you talk over it.
Yeah.
Seafoam caramel coffee. Strawberry banana smoothie. How is it? Good.
Fine, please.
Mango smoothie. It's think gonna match your shirt, the color. Mango. You could bring freeze.
Yeah.
Coffee time. My Starbucks cup. Let me turn off this light over here. Coffee. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another cold morning here. Last I checked on the weather app, it was 70 degrees, but it feels colder. but it also looks like it's gonna be another rainy day. It actually looks like it's starting to rain at one part. So yeah, so it's gonna be another wet day after a dry afternoon yesterday. Today Logan and I are just basically gonna be staying home today. We don't have any plans. I actually wanted it to be a stay-home day anyway. So what I mean by no plans, we don't have no plans to like go out or anything like that. It's just gonna be us here at home, kind of thing. So yeah, today's the day, and I'm gonna check in with you guys later. Rain is definitely coming. It's gotten darker in the sky. It's currently 9:31. In fact, I think it might be raining. I'm not too sure, but 9:31. Logan is up, and yeah. Hi, Logan. Hi. Train Cake Course are doing How to Train Your Dragon on TV. It's an older episode. They're coming out with How to Train Your Dragon 3 next month. Yeah, Logan. Did you want to go see that movie or not? Yeah. Ooh. Okay. Banana. Here's your banana.
My banana.
Your banana. And then banana.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's so cute. Okay, you guys. I'm gonna end the vlog here for now. It is currently almost 10:30, but once I get this vlog like put together and upload it to YouTube, I'm gonna go and restart it up again, a new vlog right after this one, and then make one for today and then tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm not quite sure exactly what we're gonna do quite yet, but hopefully it doesn't rain on Saturday, because Logan, the plantation village on Saturday is gonna have a Chinese New Year celebration. So we wanted to go to that, and well, my mom especially wanted to go to that before she had to head to work. So that's what we're kind of looking forward to. But let's see with the weather, because it's been kind of like up and down, and yeah, so it's been unpredictable. So we're gonna see about that on Saturday. Yes, and I do have my hair up, like up and half up. But anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here for now. So thank you guys for watching, and I keep not saying it, but be blessed, stay blessed, and stay awesome. Right, Logan? Yeah, stay awesome, everybody.